Wouldn't it be cool if your customers could automatically become silver, gold, or platinum customers simply based on how much they spend, or how often they buy, or what they've bought? Every airline in the world knows this. This is one of the biggest ways to increase loyalty and get customers to spend more. The problem is, this is impossible to do on Shopify. At least it was until the Bold Custom Pricing app. With Bold Custom Pricing, you can create as many customer price levels as you want and reward customers as they spend more and more and more. When customers log in, they see their exclusive pricing, no coupon codes required. This app has been a game changer for thousands of Shopify stores. If you're ready to start offering VIP pricing on your store, get the Bold Custom Pricing app today, and you can have VIP pricing up and running in minutes. Comment below with the bag of money emoji, and we'll DM you all the details.